Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product Breakout Reloaded. So previously this product was launched the version 1 that was named Breakout Code, and this is now launched the Breakout Reloaded. Previous launch was very successful and the same vendor is launching the Breakout Reloaded. And firstly I am thanking you that you have given me the opportunity to show you the product, the Breakout Reloaded. Okay, so in this video I will show you the product from inside. This is a very normal product and very simple product, totally an information based course, and you can say it as training course. And I will show you that how you can get my best bonuses with this product. And in the title I have written that it is an awesome product. In the title I have mentioned it. Okay, so let me start with this product. In the first part you will be given the welcome, and then the main thing is case study. Case study is very good thing for your motivation. The only purpose that served by the case study, I think, is the motivation. Okay, so also this also additionally a good thing is this case study is totally made in a live way, live screen way, like screen is reloaded again and again to show you, screen is refreshed again and again to show you that it is totally authentic, not a screenshot, and the case study is given here. Okay, so apart from that, inside the main course start basically from here, but these are the mindsets. Okay, inside this video pack the mindsets are also provided, that you need to have that kind of mindset, you need to have that exact mindset to get to the product. Basically, if you have to wait, then you have to wait to get sales. Okay, sometime you have to face that. It is not like your graph will be increasing. Sometime you have to face the the depreciation obviously. So that is the thing, that is why the mindset is very essential. Okay, so this is the course, and inside this course, inside email cache reloaded, the email marketing steps are given. And also the email cache reloaded is a very good thing, that when you just want money, you can just knock the email marketing, or you can just shoot out your emails and you can grab out the money from the market, from the people who have subscribed you. Okay, so basically that is also cleared inside this method, inside this product. And I have watched some of the videos, I have left some of the videos, I have watched some of the videos. I am also following the same method, and that is cleared inside this pack. Okay, so some bonuses are given. Bonuses are like a tip of a cherry, and also these are the main stuffs. And the method, the live screen method, on screen method is authentic and is working now, and it will be working for so many years. I think I don't know exactly what will be the changing inside the market. So that is the thing. So this is the most popular method you can implement nowadays to get the sales, the commissions, and to earn money from home. So apart from that, if I want to show you from this page, you can get the exact data about this tool. 3-step method, very easy. And also the bonuses, what are the bonuses that given with this product, and also the frequently asked questions, and the exact value, or sorry, the exact price of the tool, and my bonuses, and also the OTOs, the upsells has got the mega bonus. I will be giving you the mega bonus. If you click on this button, you will be redirected to this sales page, and from this sales page you can get the tool. Okay, so you have to click on the video description link to visit this exact page, and from this page you can click the buttons to get visited the sales page, and from there you can get the tool. So let me show you the bonuses now. So these are the bonuses for a front end. Total 30 bonuses will be given to you inside front end with the Breakout Reloaded, and there are some vendor bonus. If I want to show you, these are the vendor bonus. Okay, so inside the vendor bonus you will be given bonus number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the front end product will be also given. The previous launched product Breakout Code will be also given by default by the vendor. You can purchase it from anywhere, you will be automatically given the vendor bonus. And if you purchase any of the upsells of this tool, as this is a very recommended tool, you may purchase the upsell, you will be given the 400 plus stuff, the mega bonus box with this tool. So that is all about this tool. I have completed it, and I think you have convinced. So I am signing out for this video. Have a good day. Thank you again, and thank you again, sorry. So bye bye, have a good day.